Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. We are going to do a look today with a few things that were in my BoxyCharm stuff that I kept. I didn't keep a lot. I gave a lot to my niece. And the things that I did keep, really the only thing to test with makeup is an eyeshadow palette. So in my BoxyCharm was this Viseart palette here. It is, I just know it's going to be fabulous. This is the first time I've ever used this type of Viseart palette. Like I have the petite ones and a couple of other ones, but we're going to try this out. I will put some other makeup on, but not on camera. If you recall, I kept the Good Genes. I am going to put a little bit of that on my face. Just one pump is good for me. It's not sticky. It's not, you don't even notice it's there, really. But I have noticed since I started wearing it, like some things are coming out of my skin. So that isn't, you know, I always feel like when you're using a new skincare product that that can happen, right? Because it's going to do some type of reaction. I'd rather it draw stuff out and then just add more stuff to my face, if that makes sense. I am noticing that my pores are a little bit smaller, so that is a big help as well. All right, so we're going to dive into this, and I really don't know. It's an all matte formula. I don't know what I'm going to do. You know, I'm probably going to gravitate through here in the dark, in the browns. That's just what I do. So we're going to go into this first shade right here with a little bit on my brush. And we are going to start to put this in as a transition. I did not put any more primer on my eyes. That NARS one is dead. Which is good. It was in my use up. I am going to film a use up and then what I'm going to bring into a project pan for 21. Try to be much more deliberate about it. I have so much stuff. I have so much stuff. And what did I do? I ordered more stuff today. I can't do it. I noticed that my eyes are a little bit more discolored today than they normally are. I don't know, that's maybe because I haven't been getting any sleep. I'm actually going to take this color and I'm going to put it all over my lid so we can try and balance this thing out a little bit. You know, here I am thinking I've got to put some shimmer on and I won't because I'm using all mattes. So, yeah, I really appreciate all your comments on the video that I was ranting on the other day about people getting on my nerves. Like, I can't with people. I just can't. So this is kind of like a brick color. That's the color I'm going into now. And we are going to, like, concentrate that into the crease. Just a little bit on the eye. Fallout. You see it? Not worried about that because we don't have our face done. Yeah. So, look, I got glitter on my nose. Isn't that fabulous? So we are going to just keep doing this, focusing on our crease and a little bit up. I'm not used to like an all matte look. Like that's just not what I do normally, but the times I have done it, the one thing about it is I feel like it makes me look younger. I don't know why that is, but it does. And Yeah, I'm kind of digging that. Alright, so I put some matte on my little shader. I was in this color right here, just to, you know, start to pull things together a little bit. Yeah, let's get that. So these are not the magic erasers. I actually got these from QVC, and they're fabulous. And it comes like with 6 in a thing, and it's less than the magic eraser. But clearly just as good. Alright, what am I going to do? What are we going to do? We're going to take this little brush here. It's a Luxie brush. And we're going to go into that brown. And we're going to make a mess. I just know we're going to make a mess. We're just going to make a mess. We just got to get used to it. But, you know, as long as we can blend it out, that's the problem. It's like when I feel like I can't blend it or it's patchy, like that's a little patchy. I have to listen to Glitzy Fritzy, which is like, don't blend it in, pat it in. You know, when you have aging, mature skin on your lids. That's a good way to put it, mature skin. I think that this is going to be fabulous. After all. See, it's blending perfectly on that eye. I've kind of lost the orange in there, but we'll go back. That'll kind of be the color we'll blend it out with. But, yeah, look at that. My right eye blends much better. Alright, let's drag this underneath the eye. And, yeah. We're kind of going to leave it smoky and see what it does. The other thing I kept out of my BoxyCharm was, of course, some brushes. I gave some to my niece, and then I kept some because, you know, brushes don't last forever, and she's still learning. You know, she's young. She's still learning. She'll figure out what she likes. But and then I kept the teeth whitening thing. I've not tried that yet. I'm a little bit scared because I don't. I just, I don't know. I don't know what to do. We'll see. I'm so nervous it's going to make my teeth more sensitive, which I know it is. Everybody I know that's had their teeth whitened is like, oh, it's going to make them more sensitive. Well, I guess that's just going to have to be the case because we're going to do it. But let them be more sensitive when I'm not eating a bunch of junk. How's that? And then the other thing was like another skincare product. It's a night mask from Element. So there wasn't a whole lot I could show you. So I did get to show you the Good Genes. I did get to show you the palette. I'm going to go put some foundation and stuff on and finish my face. And I'll be right back. Hey everybody, this is my finished look with things from my BoxyCharm. I'm actually really digging the look. It's kind of everyday type thing, and yeah, I like it. So it was worth it. The few things that I kept were very expensive, so worth the cost of both boxes. So I really do enjoy my BoxyCharm. If I had to tell anybody, I have pretty much canceled everything else. BoxyCharm's the only thing I get. So, yeah. But what do you think? Love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time.